This is another delivery en route ELIOZU, PortHarcourt. Delivery en route to ELIOZU, PortHarcourt. And this is the driver that will be delivering it. His name is Pila from Abuja. Mr. Pila, can you say hi to people?
Yes.
Can you tell us your name?
I'm Mr. Pila Ikechukwu by name.
Pila Ikechukwu by name.
Yeah.
Thank you for being a good logistic person, taking these goods to PortHarcourt, ELIOZU, River State. So this is 250 liters capacity SOLWAH solar water heater from Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited.
Okay. No one person with idea.
Is it?
No one person with idea.
When that person was around there.
That's two people. You worry.
We're finished with the loading of 250 liters capacity SOLWAH solar water heater en route ELIOZU by Air Force Road, PortHarcourt, River State. My name is Ebenezer Okoye. They call me Benny, solar water heater of Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen. We are Rodotrep and we are good at what we do. Compliment of the season from us. Thank you.
Where in this? Luis!